Good morning, Chuck Parsons, Training and Education Manager here at HPC. We're coming at you from our engineering and testing facility. I'm here to talk about the UGO. This week is our soft launch. We'll be launching it on all of our certified matchlit units or our MLFPKs. I know we've been talking about it a lot, but it's here now. So let's go take a look at exactly how easy it is to convert from one gas to the other using our UGO universal gas orifice. So how many times has it happened to you? End up with the wrong gas type equipment on site? Again, we're going to talk about this three-step process, guys. The very first step, of course, anytime you're dealing with an orifice or any service work on any type of gas appliance, shut the gas line off. That's our very first step. If it's not hooked up, then obviously let's take a look here. Very quick and easy. Okay, so we've got the gas line turned off. First thing you'll notice on the UGO, you will notice that the collar up here says NG, obviously natural gas. That's how it came shipped. And the actual orifice barrel here has NG on it. And you see how they're lined up together? So again, we are set for natural gas, and we're going to convert this to LP in two more easy steps. Okay, so we've got a 3/32 Allen wrench here. We're going to loosen the set screw on the collar, and we're going to rotate that collar to LP. What this does here, and I'll show you here in just a second, is it opens up our venturi openings for the LP air intake. Once you've opened up those venturis, you're going to tighten that set screw down. I like to hold the collar just so it doesn't block any. Now you'll notice that when we rotate that collar, you see how LP is now lined up with natural gas. Obviously that's not right. So again, third step is to rotate the barrel of that orifice, rotate the LP orifice around. Just takes a simple flathead screwdriver. We're going to rotate that until LP on the collar and LP on the orifice are lined up. And that's it. You just converted gas on one of our MLFPK 65K matchlit units. It really is that easy.